This is Zahoor Ahmed, and I'm the student of Paragon Academy, Badin. Today I'm going to talk about the topic which is artificial intelligence, and also I will talk about the human intelligence versus artificial intelligence. First we have AI. AI stands for artificial intelligence, and AI was started in 1940s or 1950s, and it refers to the field of computer science and technology that focuses on creating intelligent machines and that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. So this is the introduction and this is the definition of artificial intelligence. Now, if we talk about the uses of artificial intelligence in our daily life, there are multiple uses of artificial intelligence in our daily life. If we are using mobile phones, in our mobile phones, we can see the Google Assistant in Android mobile phones, and we can see Alexa in Amazon mobile phones. And if we see the Siri in our Apple mobile phones. So these things all are based on artificial intelligence. If you are used that how if you used these all three types of based artificial intelligence, you can see that how it works. And now if we talk about the another use of artificial intelligence in mobile phones, like if you search anything on any platform, so it recommend you artificial intelligence recommend you related to the thing that you searched. So this is also the use of artificial intelligence, and this is the uses of artificial intelligence in our daily life. Now I'm going to talk about the types of artificial intelligence. There are two types of artificial intelligence. First is that narrow artificial intelligence, and other is the general artificial intelligence. General artificial intelligence. And what happens in narrow artificial intelligence? Narrow artificial intelligence means that the type of artificial intelligence that perform one function, the machine perform one function, that perform only particular function that that the data have it. So the uses of narrow artificial intelligence, we have in industries, we have machines that perform only one function. And if we talk about the hospitals, we have hospitals, and in the hospitals we have CT scanner machines and x-rays. They can only perform one function. And if we talk about the general artificial intelligence, in general artificial intelligence, the machine that perform multiple function, the robot that perform multiple function, and we can say the computer that perform multiple functions. So this is the type of general artificial intelligence. And now I'm going to talk about the human intelligence versus machine and artificial intelligence. So first we talk about the artificial intelligence, and we talked about the artificial intelligence. Now I'll talk about the human intelligence, because we human are that we can perform multiple functions, like we can eat, we can drink, and we can talk, we can drive, and we can clean. So we human can perform any function without any data. We have also the data, but we haven't any data like the robots have. So we can perform the functions, multiple functions, but the robot cannot. Without any data, robot cannot. But if we know anything, the human can know anything, they can perform, but the robot cannot. And the robot have computerized data, but we haven't any computerized data, so we can perform multiple functions. And at the end, that I wanted to give you an advice, which is that we have to connect with these all things, and with the artificial intelligence, how it works and how it will be useful in the future. And I think that artificial intelligence will be the future of human, will be the future of humanity, because now we can see in present time we can see artificial intelligence based artificial intelligence things are being made, like the driverless car are being made by Tesla company of the Elon Musk. They are making driverless car. So I think that in the future that we can see multiple things, and many things, the things will be based on artificial intelligence. So if you talk about the Tesla company's cars, they are making a driverless car. They are based on artificial intelligence. So what happened in the car, that the Elon Musk is giving data to the cars, and they are trained for the USA roads. They can perform USA roads. So this is also the type of narrow artificial intelligence, because it can perform the particular function. It can perform one function, like if they are trained for the USA roads, they cannot perform as well as they can perform in the USA roads. They cannot perform in the Pakistan, because they are not trained for that. If they are trained for the Pakistan, they can also perform, but if they are trained for the USA roads, they can perform only there. So this is, I think, the type of narrow artificial intelligence. And so these are the artificial intelligence, this is the artificial intelligence, and these are the types of artificial intelligence. And I talked about the human versus artificial intelligence. So thank you very much.